So we're very excited about this. Look at this postcard, folks. This is a 6x9 jumbo size postcard. This is the front one side of the postcard. And I'm telling you what, guys, encourage your people. Get these people plugged in, your team plugged into our postcard marketing. They can order it right here. We have a form that they can fill out. And here are our prices, guys. Right here, you fill it out and send it to Greg. He will rush it back to you and get going. Folks, I'm telling you what, this is life-changing income. And we've got the system. We've got a system of 100% duplication. I want to invite you to get going, get started, guys. On the postcard, it has the Zoom call, the Zoom meeting, and you can make big money every month from our program simply by mailing postcards, introducing people to the supplement grid. This is exciting. Build yourself a residual income of $5,000 to $10,000 or more per month as your team grows. And all you do is invite people to that call. Jamie will do the selling, telling, explaining for you. So we never have to. And that is powerful. Here is the information, guys. It's going to be on your postcard. People are going to get it in the mail. They're going to go to that postcard. They're going to go to the Zoom call in the evenings, and that's powerful. The email follow-up, guys. The system has email follow-up. It will be following up. Sign up people doing the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your autoresponder. All you do is set this page up. Guys, and this page will convert. It will sell, it will tell, it will explain, and sign people up into your business. All you did was get it started. Guys, this is exciting. And then you tell your team, guys, just plug in. Now this is one of our pages, guys. Now, those of y'all that are postcard enthusiasts, we also have this system here. This is more tailored towards postcards also. And then you can win with that. Now, we have some optional postcards, guys. When you join the supplement grid, we'll introduce you to yourplantowealth.com. We have even more postcards to choose from. So there's many ways to promote your business, guys. Also, if you want to drive traffic to your site through and by classified ads, these folks here will put your ad on thousands and thousands and thousands of pages monthly. And you can begin to explode the growth of your business. I mean, the supplement grid does well on this site as you're advertising it. That's just another way. Link for this classified ad will be below the video. The supplement grid store, folks. Let's look at some of our products. I just want to show you some of our products that we're very excited about. The liquid daily vitamin is great. The Mega Vita, the Remain for Men, the Focus formula, I got some of that. The Alpha Heat, Probiotic, Alpha Daily. We have the Thermic, the Defense Grid, protecting our bodies. Pain support, I got that. The Alpha Meds. Folks, you take 3 of these before bedtime. And folks, it is powerful as to what these products can do for you and your family. And those that you're introducing to. So we got some phenomenal products. Find a product that resonates with you, a product that you're already buying from CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, and all these other places. And guys, have a home-based business that you can become tax deductible. Home-based business that you can be proud of, to show people. Guys, the supplement grid is going to be a household name. We want you to get plugged in. Once I see you join, I will send you a welcome email. Order that one product, guys. Get started. Come to the Zoom call every Wednesday night, guys. We're building a tribe over here. Very excited about that. Get your postcard, guys. Get plugged in. This page here to set up is completely free. It can all be set up in less than 5 minutes, 3 minutes. If you have any trouble at all, reach out to me, Greg. I'll set it up for you. It takes just a few minutes to set the site up and then start driving traffic to your lead capture page. And all these instructions are right in this PDF file. Folks, it could not be more simpler. Get started in the supplement grid today. Get postcards ordered. If you want to mail some postcards, this is all optional. My main thing is to get traffic to your site, get eyeballs on your site, and winning big is what you will do. For a limited time, Greg is offering, when you come in to to the supplement grid. And if you order 1,000 of this postcard, 1,000 of this postcard, he will give you 1,000. Let me repeat that. When you order 1,000 of this postcard, Greg will supply you 1,000 of this postcard. And all you do is mail postcards. Guys, it could not be simpler. I'm excited. I'm stoked. Forward and upward we go with the supplement grid. I'll see you on the call. Make sure, guys, if you're already in supplement grid, get people on the call, send an email, do a social media post, invite somebody, pick the phone up. Encourage folks to meet us every Wednesday night. Folks, I'm telling you what, do you want to do this? Come to a call. It lasts an hour. Or do you want to go work 45 hours a week on a job that's not paying you for what you're worth? Folks, this right here, we're building the income of our dreams. We're so serious about the supplement grid and getting people started, winning big on a daily basis. Folks, I could not be more excited. Get started today. I'll see you on the call, and I'll see you at the top of success. I'll see you on the next video.